To get Xfinity on Google TV, start by ensuring your Google TV device is connected to the internet and you have an Xfinity account. If you do not have an Xfinity account, you can sign up on the Xfinity website. First, go to the Google TV home screen and navigate to the Apps section. Search for the Xfinity Stream app and select it from the search results. If you cannot find the app, you can also use the voice search feature on your Google TV remote to find it. Once you have located the Xfinity Stream app, select it and click the Install button to download and install the app on your Google TV device. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, open the Xfinity Stream app and click the Sign In button. Enter your Xfinity username and password to sign in to the app. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Xfinity account, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you are signed in, you can browse the various channels and content available on the Xfinity Stream app, including live TV, on-demand movies and shows, and cloud DVR recordings. You can also use the search function to find specific content or channels. To get the most out of the Xfinity Stream app on Google TV, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements and your internet connection is stable. It is also a good idea to check for updates to the Xfinity Stream app regularly to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. By following these steps, you can easily get Xfinity on Google TV and start enjoying your favorite content. Remember to always keep your Xfinity account information secure and be mindful of data usage when streaming content over the internet.